Welcome back to All In Driving. We've got a very special video today. We're just gonna do one simple, easy upgrade. It's quick, but it can be one of the biggest game changers for a car or truck that's old like this. We're gonna swap out our halogen high beams for some sweet LEDs. AUXITO sent me over a set of these A1 Ultra bright LED bulbs for our high beams, and I can't wait to get them on. We're gonna install these really quickly, show you the difference between the old halogen bulbs and these. And I want you to know, even though AUXITO sent me these over, this is gonna be an honest review. I'm excited, so I hope they work out and I hope they look really good and are bright. Now, to give you a quick overview of these bulbs, these are their A1 Ultras, as I mentioned before, from AUXITO. They sent me the proper size, the proper fitting, so they're easily plug and play. Let's go ahead with the install. Inside the box, we've got a user manual, just in case, but I don't know if we'll need those. A pair of gloves so you can keep your hands off of your lights, and then the lights themselves. The only other thing we're gonna use, and it's mostly because we had some moisture inside that headlight, is just some bulb grease. We're gonna put it just in here so that we get a sealed connection. Now, because this is such a quick and easy job, we're gonna time it. I'm not gonna try to go fast, but I am gonna try to be effective. Just to give you an idea, the only time I'm gonna pause the video is literally while I move the camera to the other side. Let's go, we can start the timer. Now, on this truck, our headlamps there's two. Now here, we've got an outside headlamp. This is our main headlamp, and our high beam is here. All we have to do is about less than a quarter twist, about a quarter twist. Pull that old bulb out. We've got a nice little, pull that old bulb out. We've got a clip here that we push. Take that off. Grab our new AUXITO LED light. You're gonna put just a little bulb grease. We're just gonna put a little bit of bulb grease on our connections and try and save these lights. Even though they'll last as long as possible, we just wanna make sure that we don't have any issues. Plug and play, that just goes right into that same connector. Put it in our hole here, line everything up. All right. Sophia. Uh-oh. Oh, we're in. That's simple. Now let's go to the other side. Now for the 95 Land Cruiser, on passenger side, we actually have one extra step, and it's to get rid of our overflow reservoir, but we've been in there recently. Make sure we can see our hand where we're working. Give it that quarter twist. Pop the old bulb out. Pop the old bulb out the same way. A little bit of bulb grease in the connectors. Plug it into the connector. Twist. Place that, and we're done. Here's what they look like during the day. There really was a quick job, and you can see how much brighter they are already. But what I really want to wait to see is at nighttime. So let's go. Here's a quick example of these halogen bulbs. And the light that they end up shining. And then here are the new AUXITO LED lights that we just installed. Honestly, I have not driven a car with halogen lights in a long time, and when I turned those high beams on, I thought, well, I'm sure the LEDs will be a little bit better, but really the difference is night and day. I can't see the camera right now, which is probably a good thing. I can't wait to check out some more products from AUXITO. These are fantastic. I mean, visibility is crazy. And I mean, look at me. It looks like it's daytime. If you want to get your hands on some AUXITO LED bulbs, off-road lights, or other accessories, find the link in the description or head to auxito.com. Use the code ALLINDRIVING at checkout to get up to 15% off your products. This one definitely gets a thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.